Hey, now, how was the semester for you?
I was on cruise control until my teacher said,
Sorry. Hold on. So sorry about that. I didn't mean to cut you off. Please continue.
okay. I was on cruise control until my teacher suddenly pulled the U-turn.
What happened?
He changed all classes to online.
Everything went online all of a sudden? Wow, that's tough.
Yes, it's too hard.
But it seems like you did a good job.
Thank you.
So have you thought about what you want to do after college?
Well, actually, I'm not sure yet.
That's okay. You're in the driver's seat because you can do whatever you want with your life. It's your life, so just have fun, relax.
Okay.
How's that report you're doing?
I'm not finished because my pace is too slow and I have to shift gears.
So when's it due?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Oh, you really gotta shift gears and finish it. It's gonna be a long night. Good luck.
Thank you.
Hey, now, you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Awesome. My wife and I, we're going to this Mexican restaurant for dinner. Why don't you join us?
No, Mike, sorry. Because I don't like being your third wheel.
Yeah, that's true. I don't like being the third wheel either. Maybe next time.
Yes, thank you.